everybody. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you are new here, my name is Brenda and I like to film vlogs about lifestyle. So if you're into that kind of thing, please support the channel by clicking subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share the channel with your friends. Get them on board to Brenda Edith. So welcome back to another Vlogmas. Today is Sunday. We are going to take you along to a cozy Sunday and how I go about having a relaxing, cozy Sunday. So I definitely like to sleep in on Sundays, and I like to obviously take the day off of working out, and I like to have a slow, peaceful morning. And it's just so much cozier when it's the Christmas season because you could light up your tree, you could put an ambiance in the background. But I'm gonna go ahead and have breakfast. I made myself an oatmeal, a banana almond butter oatmeal. Not sure if you guys could see that, but it doesn't look too glamorous, pretty basic. And then I obviously made my coffee, and today I'm only gonna do the vitamin D. I'm not gonna be taking my vitamin B12 today. Now that I'm done with breakfast, I typically try to tidy up the kitchen. So if there's any dishes that need to be put away, I do put them away. That's one thing about trying to slow down on Sundays and tell myself like I'm not gonna do anything too crazy of chores. I just like to keep things in their place, especially if I'm gonna cook or bake later that day. So I am gonna be cooking later today. That is the plan for now. I just took out the chicken to defrost, and I'm going to unload the dishes and wash any dishes that need to be hand washed. And then also I'm going to throw in a laundry because y'all know how I feel about my laundry situations. And yeah, so it's just trying to like tidy up the place a little bit before I get ready for church. But meanwhile I do that, I'm gonna put some worship music on. I have a playlist. I was thinking about making a couple of my playlists public because I have a really long Christmas playlist. I think it's like 3 hours. Let me double check. My Christmas playlist, let's double check. It's right over here, Christmas playlist. Let's see. It is 5 hours. Y'all see that? 5 hours and 45 minutes. So I was planning on maybe making this playlist public and linking it down for you guys to listen to in the description below, but I'm not sure. I just feel kind of shy about it. But if you guys want me to share this playlist, let me know and maybe I can brush it up a little bit. And yeah, but it's a really long playlist. But I'm not gonna be listening to Christmas music right now. I'm gonna be actually listening to worship music. And right now I have 6 hours worth of worship music in my playlist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with one of my favorite songs. Right now, one of my favorite songs that I like to listen to is Promises by Maverick City Music and Chandler Moore and Naomi. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start off with one of my favorite worship playlists. And it's even better because on Sundays, it's a rest day, it's church day. So it's like really nice to just have a very Christ-centered day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and listen to this while I do my chores. And then after I listen to my favorite song, then I just put it on shuffle. And yeah, so let's get this place tidy up. All right, so I just got out of the shower. Today was hair wash day, so there's that. But I need to hurry up because we need to get going for church in the next 15 minutes. So I'm gonna try and hurry up and show you guys what is the skincare routine for Sunday. Y'all know that I like to start with my eye cream that I think is not doing anything for me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it. It's the Estee Lauder Youth Revitalizing Supreme blah blah blah, and I don't think it's helping me with the things that I want it to help me with. Now I'm gonna go in and put my face cream, which is also from Estee Lauder. You guys know that this is the one that I've been using for like the past year now. It's been a year since I've started using this, and I kind of feel like it's not helping either with like the things that I want them to help me with. So I am probably just gonna go back to the lotion that I was using prior to Estee Lauder, which was Origins, or I'm probably going to just try, my mom has suggested me to try Clinique. Into one of my favorite winter turtlenecks. This is from H&M. So I sometimes fold turtleneck, sometimes I don't, and then I just kind of do this and it kind of looks nice. I love the drop shoulders. This is my favorite sweater. H&M doesn't have it anymore. I bought this like maybe 5 years ago. $2.40. I'm gonna go grab my purse and we're gonna leave. See you in the car. To the car, we're on our way to Sunday church. We usually like to go to church in the morning, but we have been going in the afternoon and it's been working out well. So we like going to the 3 p.m. The only thing is that the sun goes down like by 4:30, 5 o'clock, right? So by the time we're out of church and by the time we get home, it's already pretty much dusk, which kind of sucks because that means that we can no longer go on our afternoon walks. But that's okay because we're going to cozy up tonight. I'm going to cook some dinner. You excited for that?
Yeah.
What do you think I'm gonna cook today?
Something with chicken.
How do you know?
Because chicken's defrosting.
Yep, something with chicken. And I'm probably gonna use up the rest of the vegetables that we have in the fridge. So I'll let you know after church. But yeah, hopefully the choir today at church is good. Usually my husband and I would participate in the church choir, but it's only what, like a monthly thing, right?
Yeah, every other month.
Yeah, it's different at this church. So I know in other churches you can volunteer for the choir and you could do it weekly, but in this church you kind of just, the choir director will send us a message like, hey, are you available on this Sunday? And then if we agree, then we pack up our instruments. And usually I play the guitar and my husband, what do you do?
Play the drums.
He plays the drums for Jesus. That's right. But we haven't gotten a notification to volunteer. I thought you said that we did get a notification.
Yeah, for a couple masses.
Yeah, when?
At the end of this month and at the beginning of next month.
Yeah, so we might be doing those, and maybe I could vlog when we do that so you guys could get a little behind the scenes on how rehearsal goes, setting up goes, and maybe sneak in a few clips on how it all sounds. I don't know if I'll be down to do that, but we'll see. But that's usually our cozy Sunday church routine. I like to get ready, wear a cozy turtleneck or cardigan, and do my makeup. And my husband likes to wear his Sunday shoes. He's wearing his Sunday shoes right now. Just got to look presentable for church, and hopefully everything sounds awesome at church today with the choir and the priest. Of plans, we are actually not going to be cooking a cozy dinner because my husband proposed the idea of grabbing something to eat, which is pasta. So we're going to go to Olive Garden. We placed a to-go order and we're going to go pick that up, and we're going to enjoy a cozy dinner thanks to Olive Garden. Let's see what we got. We came with some breadsticks. And whoa, this soup looks crazy. I got some pasta fagioli. I don't even know how to say it, but I've never had this, so we're gonna try this. Hubby got off to request fresh shredded Parmesan cheese, and then we ordered the chicken Alfredo. So, just regular chicken Alfredo. And then a salad. So we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this beautiful dinner.
Did the salad come with the dressing?
They forgot the
my
dressing. Taste this soup and see what it's all about. It's called a pasta fagioli, but it looks more like a chili to me. So it looks like it has carrots and beans and tomatoes and some pasta thing going on. Oh yeah, that tastes good. It kind of tastes like lasagna soup, but with beans and like a minestrone soup. I know there's probably better Italian food out there, but you know, you just can't go wrong with a good old Olive Garden. And their breadsticks, which are really good. So if you ever travel to the United States, I recommend you to try Olive Garden. I mean, I've heard that for Italians, like real Italian people, Olive Garden is like not good at all, but you should just try it. Star Wars. Don't play with your food on the table. Did I really just dip it in here too? Mm-hmm. We're so happy that we were able to enjoy a really delicious dinner, and I went ahead and turned on our Christmas tree, and hubby's cozying up by the couch. But before he gets a little too comfortable, I was asking him if he can help me hang my Christmas wreath. You don't want to do this.
I mean, we're gonna do it right now. I'm getting up. I'm putting it on my Crocs.
Your Crocs? Oh no. These are so loud. So cute. I love it. Okay, well the wreath is up, and now I'm going to get started on baking some muffins because I have an itch to bake. I want to bake these Live Bee muffins. I'll put the recipe that I'm gonna be following here, and I'll link it in the description below. First time trying this recipe, but I do trust Live Bee's recipes because her recipes, especially the baking ones, are top notch, absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Cup of vegan butter, sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, The muffins are all ready to eat. They're freshly out of the oven. I transferred them here to the cooling rack, and I served mine in this huge plate because we're gonna be sitting back and enjoying a Christmas movie, and I don't wanna make a crumbly mess. So I got a big plate, and right now it's between A Christmas Story or Christmas with the Cranks, because this year I would like to hold off on watching Home Alone until Christmas Eve, because Home Alone is like my favorite movie. So I'm probably not gonna watch that one until Christmas Eve, and then Home Alone to Christmas Day. We might go with Christmas with the Cranks. If you guys haven't seen that movie, it's pretty funny. Taste test we go. Dun 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 dun. This is how it looks like up close. Y'all probably got a really close up look earlier. These muffins are okay. And I think it's because I did not use spotty bananas. I used just regular yellow bananas. And to be honest, they were kind of green on the end of the side of the banana, but nonetheless, the muffins are okay. Would I make this recipe again? Probably not, because when I think of a banana muffin, I really want that banana flavor. If anything, I'm just getting more of the chocolate chips and the cinnamon flavor, which is fine because I love cinnamon, but I would have loved to tasted more of that banana flavor in there. So I will link the recipe in the description below. More likely it's because I did not use spotty bananas. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the cozy Sunday vlog. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. And don't forget to share this channel with your friends. Get them on board to Brenda Edith's Vlogmas, because y'all better believe we're going to keep pushing on till December 25th. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next vlog. Bye!